Hey everyone, welcome back to Gearhead Central. Today, we're diving into one of the most extreme, outrageous, and ambitious hypercars the world has ever seen, the 2026 SP Automotive Chaos. Built by the relatively new Greek automaker SP Automotive, the Chaos isn't just aiming to break records, it's trying to redefine what we even consider possible in a street-legal vehicle. Buckle up, because this one is absolutely wild. The design of the Chaos is straight out of a sci-fi dream. Every angle, curve, and surface screams aggression and speed. The body is sculpted from advanced materials like carbon fiber, titanium, and even Xylon, making it ultra-lightweight but incredibly strong. The sharp lines, massive rear wing, and aerodynamic fins are all there for function, not just form. This car doesn't hide its purpose, it's built to dominate the road and the track. The low, wide stance and sharp LED lighting give it a menacing presence, and its radical proportions make it look more like a fighter jet than a car. Now let's talk performance, because that's where the Chaos really earns its name. SP Automotive offers two versions, the Earth version and the zero-gravity version. The Earth model produces a mind-blowing 2,000 horsepower, while the zero-gravity variant is rated at an unfathomable 3,065 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, over 3,000 horsepower in a street-legal hypercar. Powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V10, the Chaos can supposedly go from 0 to 60 in just 1.55 seconds and hit top speeds beyond 300 miles per hour. If the numbers hold up, it would be the fastest production car ever made. Inside, the Chaos keeps the futuristic vibe going with a cabin that's both minimal and ultra-high-tech. The interior is wrapped in Alcantara, carbon fiber, and aerospace-grade metals. There's a digital instrument cluster, a central touchscreen interface, and even augmented reality displays that provide real-time performance data. The steering wheel resembles something you'd find in a spaceship, and every surface is designed with purpose. Comfort takes a backseat to function here, but the materials and fit and finish still scream luxury and exclusivity. When it comes to unique features, the Chaos doesn't hold back. The car is built with aerospace-grade engineering and uses 3D printing for many of its components, including titanium parts for weight savings and strength. SP Automotive even claims the Chaos will feature biometric access, real-time telemetry streaming, and fully customizable driving dynamics. The entire car is handcrafted, and only a limited number will be made, ensuring exclusivity and insane price tags. With rumors that it could cost tens of millions, it's not for the average enthusiast, it's for collectors chasing something beyond extraordinary. The 2026 SP Automotive Chaos is more than just a hypercar, it's a mechanical revolution. With groundbreaking performance, space-age materials, and a design straight from the future, this car is setting a new benchmark for what's possible on four wheels. It's fast, furious, and absolutely fearless. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insane reviews right here on Gearhead Central.